Chapter 2: Computer Everywhere Around Us. Hello, children. Today I will tell you the different places where the computers are used. At home, the computer helps you to do your homework and play games. It helps your parents to calculate monthly expenses. It helps you to listen to the music and watch movies. It helps to purchase items online. In schools, the computer is used in schools for educating the students. You can learn subjects like maths, English, etc. in an easy and interesting way. It helps the teacher to prepare report cards. It helps in the school library and fee counter. In offices, the computer is used in offices to store information, making bills, and to keep records of stocks and to do work efficiently. It helps in typing and printing documents. It helps in sending and receiving messages. In banks, the computer helps in maintaining the records of customers. It helps you to withdraw money from ATM. In hospitals, the computer helps the doctor to keep the information of patients and their diseases. It helps the doctor in operations. It helps in preparing medical reports. At airports and railway stations, the computer helps in reservation and cancellation of tickets. It helps in showing records of arrival and departure of trains and flights. It helps you to keep track of location, speed, and direction of trains and airplanes. In restaurants, where the clerk directly enters the actual data into a computer and calculates the cost and then prints a receipt. Brainstorm. What are the things that computer cannot do? In designing, the computer helps architects in designing buildings, houses, and flyovers. It helps engineers in designing cars, airplanes, and other machines. It helps in designing advertisements, animations, movies, and a lot more things. In scientific research, the computer helps scientists in their researches, designing robots, and forecasting weather. It helps in launching and controlling satellites, rockets, and missiles. In shops, computer is used to record the data of stock. It helps to prepare bills for customers. It helps to keep records of sales of various items of store. In publishing, the computer helps in composing and designing the books. It helps in printing newspapers and magazines. Entertainment. In movies, computer is used for special effects, and even imaginary characters can play a part in making movies, videos, and commercials. Fact: you can pay your electricity and telephone bills through computer. Let's recall. In schools, the computer helps the teachers to teach and prepare report cards. At home, it helps you to do homework, play games, and watch movies. In offices, it helps in typing, printing, and sending messages. In banks, it is used to maintain records of customers. In publishing, it helps in printing newspapers and magazines. Computer helps at airports and railway stations in reservation and cancellation of tickets. In hospitals, computer helps the doctors in operations. Computer helps architects in designing buildings, houses, and flyovers. In scientific research, computer helps in launching and controlling satellites, rockets, and missiles.